Today's topic is greetings for moving. I will talk about this topic, using a scene from My Neighbor Totoro to illustrate. Greeting for moving is a traditional Japanese custom. Nowadays, it may not be done so much in cities. However, generally, in Japan, it is considered polite for a newcomer to go around and greet a landlord or neighbors. Let's have a look.
お家の方はどなたかいらっしゃいませんか。あ、どうも。Kusakabe です。引っ越してきました。
The father of the Kusakabe family takes the trouble to stop their truck and greet the homeowner in the rice field. He is indeed greeting the landlord as he moves in. Those who are not in the habit of doing this may wonder why he is going out of his way to greet someone who is far away. As proof of this, the English dubbing translates the phrase to mean something completely different from the original.
Excellent. Hello there! It looks like we're going to be neighbors!
This father's line is dubbed, "Looks like we're going to be neighbors." Completely different, right? It sounds as if the relationship is not like that of landlord and tenant, but of equals. The relationship of landlord and tenant is not equal, at least traditionally in Japan.